Hello and welcome back. This is Amin, top rated digital marketing expert. In this video, I'm going to share you the bidding strategy. This is a part of Google Ads. This is a complete playlist, the Google Ads for beginner tutorial. So what is bidding? Bidding is very simple. You can suppose there has a 4 advertiser in Google Ads. So first advertiser give I will pay you $1 per click. Second advertiser tell you I will pay you $2 per bid, and third advertiser say I will pay you $3 per click per traffic, and fourth advertiser say I will pay only 0.5 cent per traffic. Then Google take a decision. The person, the advertiser who give most value, that means $3, I will give you traffic. This is a bidding strategy. So if you set up your bidding very less, then you will not get traffic. So you have to set up bidding very carefully. So hopefully you understand what is the bidding strategy. So let's go in my Google Ad dashboard. So here you can see when you set up a campaign, then you have to select bidding. So there has a multiple type of biddings: conversion value, other optimization, clicks, and impression share. So if you want to take only you can want to impression, then you can select the normally this is this bidding strategy used for brand promotion, brand awareness. But if you want to get a sales, then you have to select conversion. Okay, or if you want to get only traffic, then click traffic, and after clicking traffic you can set your maximum budget. Say, suppose you want to spend maximum, I will give you $1 for traffic, then you can say 1. Then if you have a $2, then you can set 2. And if you want to pay only 0.05, then you can set up. This depend on your so I think you should set up, but because if you don't set up, then Google takes charges according to your wish. If Google take $100 per click, you have no claim because you do not set up CPC bid limit. So though Google don't take $100, but Google take minimum charges for you. But I recommended, I prefer, please set up your manual BDC. Then you can set up conversion. Okay, so when you set up conversion, then you will get target CPA, cost per acquisition. So suppose you need a sales, so you can set up I will pay $10 per sales. I will pay $10 for sales. So give me sales. So Google try to bring sales, bring sales from users within $10 your budget. If they cannot do, then they will not serve your ad. Then here you can see another bidding strategy is a conversion value. So when you select conversion value, then you will get ROAS. So you can suppose you will spend $1, but you want to get back $500. So you have to set up 500%. If you want to get 4%, then you can set up 400%. So it is super easy if you understand what is the bidding strategy. So hopefully, and here another other optimization, you can set up other optimization, but I think you should set up conversion or conversion value. So this is the highly recommended. But if you want to only get traffic from your website, then click, and if you want to get branding for your businesses, then click use impression share. So I think this video clear about bidding strategy. You can use your bidding strategy. If you have any questions, let me ask. I am free for to give any questions. And if you want to work with me, if you want to hire me for your project, then please give me message on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much.